LinkConn 1000 software, our next option we will be focusing in on is within zone settings, the sensor section. Now by clicking the sensors button, a window pops up displaying the sensor reading values of all your advanced sensors, temp probes, soil moisture probes, that are installed, wired, and mapped to this zone. In our example, we have a site master with its slave and the multiple advanced sensors installed on this 2-controller zone. We have temp probes and we have soil moisture sensors. The temp probes on the site master and the soil moisture probes on the slave. Now, if you want to give your probe a unique name, just simply double-click within the box above the temperature thermometer and just type in the name you want to give this particular sensor. And just by closing it, it saves the name. Now, the next option we'll focus in on is the Setpoint button. And we'll go ahead and click the Setpoint button. Now with Setpoint 1, if you want your temperature and relative humidity range to be a constant range to never change the same day and night, do not enable Setpoints 2, 3, and 4. Now if you want your temp and humidity to be different at night or throughout the day, simply enable the Setpoint by checking the Enable box, and then input your values to trigger environmental change. Now to change the default factory settings, for instance the start time, just simply click the radio box and just choose what time you would like this start time to be. To change it from AM and PM, just simply hit the box and that does that for you. Now when it comes to Astro Adjust, you have the option to have your set points engage by either sunrise, sunset, or a fixed time, which would be none. Now, the wrap time is the transition time between set points so that your plants don't experience temperature shock. And by default, it's at 30 minutes. But if you want to change the value, you can either double-click the box and just simply input your values, or if you want to change it with small increments, use the up or down arrows right next to the box, as you can see here. Now, to change the temperature values, you would do the same. Simply double-click the box for bigger increments, up and down for smaller increments. Relative humidity, if you double-click this box, it will pop up the values in which you would have to choose twice. Now by enabling multiple set points and then hit apply, the graphic on the side gives you visuals on your temperature and humidity set point alterations throughout the day to give you a better understanding of change. Once you have done inputting your information, to save, just simply click the update box. And that's our video on sensor and set point button understanding zone settings within the LinkConn 1000 series software.